Girl Scouts too, so that's really cool to see that girls are still doing it. So good job there. Here we go. Let's take a look at the tropics. We do have tropical depression number 10. You can see a lot of convection on the eastern side of it. We do have it moving very slowly. Now it's almost stationary, meaning that there's not going to be a lot of movement to the north, at least for another day or so. So it has plenty of time to just meander between the Yucatan Peninsula and western Cuba. Eventually it's going to break free, right? It's going to move its way off towards the northeast, and it's going to further strengthen into a tropical storm. Next name on the list is Idalia, and then eventually it's going to strengthen further into a Category 1 hurricane, and I wouldn't be surprised if it does even further strengthen into a weak under Category 2 hurricane before making landfall somewhere between Pensacola maybe and also to Clearwater, Tampa Bay. Now, as this moves onshore, even though we're not in the cone, we very well know that we still see impacts here in South Florida. So if we have the center over here, we could still see some damaging winds from the system, and also there's always a possibility of some rotating thunderstorms, some isolated tornadoes whenever you have a landfalling tropical system, even if it is 200 to 300 miles away. So we are going to be on the lookout for that if the track does shift further east or further west. But right now we are picking up on the fact that we are looking at winds anywhere between 20 to 25 sustained, gusting even stronger than that into the 30s. So we could see some very strong winds starting Tuesday all the way throughout your Wednesday. And then by Thursday, our conditions should start to get better. But we are going to see our conditions actually deteriorating as early as Monday evening when we'll get the first band of rain moving in. So let me show you that we have our system. As soon as it finally moves up to the north and into the Gulf waters, very hot environment to further strengthen it. And for us, we could start to see those outer bands, as I mentioned, as early as Monday, late afternoon into the evening. And as the system does make possible landfall somewhere along the Panhandle of Florida or the Big Bend region of Florida, we're still going to be dealing with those tropical downpours from the outer bands. So gusty winds, heavy rainfall at times, localized flooding for our area. So rain coverage does increase, especially Monday into Tuesday and Wednesday. We have those as our impact days because that's when we're expecting to see impacts from this tropical system. So right now, again, stationary. It's going to start moving very quickly after Sunday. And then by Monday, it'll be again strengthening further into a tropical storm. And by Wednesday, that's when it's going to already make landfall and be out of the picture. So there's Tropical Depression 10. Then we have Franklin right here. And we have two other areas that we're watching in the tropics, one off of Africa. This one, maybe keep an eye on that. But for now, this one right here, not too concerned, is actually weakening and falling apart. Back here at home, couple showers offshore. We're going to keep some rain in the forecast as we go throughout the rest of your evening. But let me show you what happens Sunday morning. We'll see a couple showers as we go into your morning, along the coast. Most of it moving inland, but then Monday, this is when we're going to see that tropical moisture building in from the south. So look what happens. We have some very heavy rain moving in. I'll show you that in just a little bit though, but yeah, we are expecting to see some heavy tropical downpours here across South Florida and the Treasure Coast starting on your Monday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, also on and off heavy rainfall expected. That'll be the impacts from this tropical system. And then we're going to really heat things up. Temperatures nearing the mid-90s with a strong southwesterly wind by the end of the week, but we'll dry things out starting on your Thursday. Jade?
All right. Thank you, Brooke.